Finding a good job involves several key steps. Identify your skills, strengths, interests, and values to understand what type of work aligns best with you. Explore industries, companies, and roles that match your criteria. Use online job boards, company websites, and professional networks to gather information. Build relationships with professionals in your field of interest. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with people on platforms like LinkedIn. Craft a tailored resume and cover letter highlighting your relevant experiences and skills. Customize these documents for each job application. Apply to positions that match your qualifications and interests. Stay organized and follow up on applications when appropriate. Prepare for interviews by researching the company, practicing common interview questions, and showcasing your qualifications confidently. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge through courses, certifications, and relevant experiences to stay competitive in the job market. Assess job offers based on factors like salary, benefits, company culture, growth opportunities, and alignment with your career goals. By following these steps and staying proactive in your job search, you can increase your chances of finding a fulfilling and rewarding job.